What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you the number one mod that I recommend on BMW 6-speed manual cars. This does apply not just only to M3 F80, M4 F82, but to other models as well. So basically, if you have a stick and you feel like there's something wrong with your clutch pedal, like you feel like it has too much travel, or when you go through gears, it's kind of jerky. This especially noticeable in the F8X generation M3 and M4 cars. So what I mean is when you go to, especially first gear, right? When you go to take off, and then it's kind of jerks. So uh, I thought that there was actually something wrong with my clutch because I bought it used. Long story short, I almost ended up like looking for a clutch replacement until I figure out this one simple, I think it's like a $20 mod. I'll put the price in here, top left corner. Yeah, so basically what this is, it's a clutch stop. Let me show you down below what I mean. All right, guys, so I try to show you on camera, but I can't get the camera in there. It's just impossible. But essentially, you have your clutch pedal, and then if you look under, there's a little opening right underneath the pedal, and then right behind it, you stick your finger in there, you'll feel this piece. It's called a clutch stop. So the stock one is super short, and then essentially what the mod does, it adds length to this clutch stop, so it shortens the travel of your pedal. So you can add these spacers to make it longer or shorter, so that one, you can go faster through gears, and two, it'll stop the jerkiness taking off in first gear especially. The mod is actually super simple, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll reply best I can. And as usual, thumbs up on this video, help share this to other BMW owners. This was really annoying to me when I just bought my car, and it helped so dramatically that I think that this is number one mechanical mod for me personally, because I love my manual cars. So again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't so already, and as usual, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.